Good morning, everybody. Today I'm just doing a little quick video because I've been testing all different glues and water pre-made pouring mediums because the Elmer's glue is getting so expensive and hard to get in Australia. Even though I love it, I will continue using it, but I just want to try some Australian brands to see if I get the same results. So today what I'm trying is Helmart's Australian PVA Professional. It dries clear as no odour. It's more archival quality. So I might get absolutely terrible results, but then again I may get the same as with Elmer's. So as you see, this is a 2-litre container and this cost $20. So I get the 4-litre container of Elmer's, and it used to cost $40, but now it costs $68. I think I can get it for a Craft Online, or you can get it off eBay for around that price. But anyway, so it's very expensive in Australia. So I'm doing a little trial for this, and I thought I'd video it in case it turned out perfect. So what I've done is I put in my measuring jug. As if any of you follow me know that I don't measure anything, I just put it in by eye. So just for the sake of this one, I did put, oh, can't even see it on there now. I put 300 mils of the Helmar glue, and then I didn't actually measure. I just added the water. Slowly until I got a consistency. It sort of does go quite runny, but so if I added I maybe added 100 mils of water, and then I just put about 2 centimeters of global paint in the cups, and then added the pre-made pouring medium, which is the glue and Helmart's glue and water, until I got the consistency that I would normally get, which is like pouring custard. This one has gone a little, it did thicken overnight, and I just add, as you know, I'm still pre-making my paint mixes up at least the day before, and I cover with a wet tea towel or a damp tea towel. But yeah, so the consistency is like pouring glue. Might turn out terrible, so I'm just going through the motions, like I said, of trying the different glue. And I've tried the Duramax. That's turned out the nicest so far. I have tried the PVA Parvex. That's from Bunnings if you live in Australia, and that's obviously cheap. It's 4 litres for about $22, but it doesn't. It's okay if you want marbling or just you can. It's not really, doesn't come up in clusters what I normally do. So I would use the other glue for marbling effect on a painting, but not for clusters. So obviously I do paintings that haven't got the clusters or whatever, but I'm just going through this at the moment. So anyway, I just added 2 tiny drops of my Helmar silicone, so same brand as the glue that I'm trying, into each cup. And I'm going to do what I would normally do, is a swipe. So I will do it along with you guys so you can see what the results are. So this is a green light. Okay. I'm going to use the white. This one is a little bit thicker, so we'll just go with it. I do what I normally do. It's these snaky effects, as I've said to you all before. It gets me a different outcome every time. And this is just bright yellow. So I'll just tilt this as I would normally do. What I'm painting on is the recycled card. I get it off eBay. The most expensive part is the delivery. Costs, I think, more than the card does. I think it's a pack of 100 and it's like 75 GSM, is it? The weight of the card. I do this I use the card for all my testing. Saves on canvas, and also if you wanted to use it after it's dry in a frame, then it goes well in a frame. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to swipe. As you all know, I hate swiping with just black or white. It's usually a colour. So I'm going to swipe with the red today. So I'll just put my thin line across the top like I normally would. There you go, dog's barking again. And I'll get my trusty swipe tool, which is the plastic file divider. This one's, and as paint has dried on that, obviously wasn't diligent enough. So let's hope that we get the same results, because for Australian pourers, it's that want to sell straight away. Okay, that's a good sign. That's a very good sign, because we love using the Alma's, but everybody's made it so difficult to get Alma's glue in Australia, which is ridiculous. That if somebody was importer, realise how many Australian pourers there are, to have a very, very big market for the Alma's glue all. It's a shame that Woolworths and Spotlight and Bunnings and Target, Costco would be good to get Alma's glue all in for us. As you see, it is selling, and I haven't done anything. It's not particularly looking very pretty, but that may be because the colours that I've chosen. Probably it would have been better if I did a navy swipe through it. So I'm going to torch it now with my butane torch. Dogs have decided to have a play. Hey, outside you guys. Outside, go. Okay. It's kind of clustering. I think that would come up so much better if I'd have done a navy. So I certainly will try this glue with navy. As I said, I'm just trying to find a better alternate than the Alma's glue all. I would absolutely continue using the Alma's glue all as a pre-made pouring medium if I could get it freely in Australia for a decent price. But it's sold, but not particularly nice sells. They're a bit iddledy-piddledy, but I will continue to give it a go, because I think I need to make up a navy and swipe with the navy or something. See how that goes. I'm going to just try one little thing while I'm here, because I've got some dark navy, but this was pre-made up with the Alma's glue. I'm just going to swipe over the top of it and see if it makes any difference. You just never know if you don't try, I suppose. So I'm just going to see what just swiping with the Alma's glue, what kind of effect that'll bring me. So here we go. Just drop your swiping tool in it just about a centimetre. It's nice and slowly. That's very dark, but we'll give it a go, see how it turns out. It is a different kind of cell. They've got like a little flowering effect, like a little, not the circle that you would normally get with the Alma's. But again, I'll try them with darker colours. I'll do a few tests, so. And bear with me, like just doing the video on my tips and tricks. It had a lot of views straight up, which I'm very happy with. It had lots of nice remarks, but it also had a lot of negative remarks. Okay. I just try my best, and everything is my opinion of what I find. People bite straight back, oh, I've tried that and it worked fine for me. Well, you know, that's good, but it obviously, I wouldn't see it's not working fine for me. Okay, this is interesting because I've swiped with that navy that had the glue all in it, and this is what's created, like the different cells again, the stars and triangles and leaf shape, all odd matter of things. So that is a bit of a weird one. It's kind of plumed, like, see, it's like gone like a complete, like a flower shape, or all on its own without doing anything to it. I might just try the balloon. Balloon's gone down day after day, so I just use it till it's completely no good. So we'll just try this balloon, see what we get. Okay, oh, trying to swipe, get rid of the paint. I'm just gently pressing the balloon into it. I mean, it's giving quite a nice effect with the balloon, so it might be good for my balloon kissing technique. So, but like I said, I think it would turn out better if I'd done a darker swipe, like a navy, but that's not too bad. So again, I said it's just a test, so just trying to bear with me. Yeah, it's kind of, yeah, look at these little stars and leaf shapes, quite bizarre, but I'm going to leave that little cluster there. Okay, well, that's the Helmar glue and water mix. So I will try again with different colours because I keep giving it a go and see, or altering my mix, whereas the glue all, I usually do 70% glue all and 30% water. It may be different for this one, so I think that probably need a little bit more glue than water in this, but it's not too bad. It's I'll see how it dries. Just try and show you the one I did with the other. Yeah, that turned out, I did the test with the, this one was probably the best so far with the, where is it? The wood, that one. That created those nice little clusters. So that one was a nice outcome. So I would use that again, and you can get that in Australia. I just haven't found it in any bigger than 1 litre. And obviously I go through a lot of glue, so I need a bigger amount, but that was very nice. I do like the results of that, and you can get this easy enough in Australia. So, but this one's turning out not too bad. I'll keep persevering with it and see what we get. So happy pouring, cellmates. I hope that helps some of you.